Okay, so today we're working on the brand new Nissan 400Z, and we're going to be installing MAP downpipes.
I think it's just called the new Z.
The new Z.
I don't think they officially named it 400.
I'm calling it the 400Z because it makes me happy.
Okay.
But either way, the new Nissan Z, this one's actually kind of cool because it's one of the auto ones, so probably the last one we're ever going to see in an auto. And it's white.
And we're putting a GTR motor in it. A real GTR motor, not this thing. It's getting a $100,000 bill, at least. And we're putting a GTR motor in it. It's a surprise. So the first steps of this install is you're going to take basically this like mid pipe out right here. It's pretty simple. We have 2, 2, and 2. I think they're 14s. That's the big old white piece. 6 14s. I'll pull it out, and then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the O2 sensors. There's one on each side, and then we're going to unbolt this. So this has two. What is this? I'll show you. 2 14s. Again, you have one up here and one under here. Kind of harder to see. 2 bolts right here to hold this bracket on, and then it should. We'll have to find out. Just like that, this piece is going to come out. Now, after we get both these sides out, we'll now start working on the top portion of the cat, and then we'll give you an update once we get to there. So where we're at now is, I slightly forgot, on Q60s and the Z's, they have 2 bolts on the driver's side, and then they have 3 on the passenger side that hold the secondary cat on. So when you're taking that secondary cat off, try to remember that, or you wish you had after you're fighting to get the downpipe off and it's not coming off. This is not necessary, but it does help to have a 3-foot long extension. So if you have one, use it. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Alright, and here's the second one. Oh gosh, we're stuck. Okay. Now here's the third one that you won't be able to see. 1, 2, and 3.
Good job, Gage. You pulled that first try.
Yep.
That was only take.
Yep, sure was.
Yep.
Oh, cool. You got it out?
Yes, sir. Take a little primary out. Not too bad. Now time for Gage to get his side out and stop the new ones in.
Right, can you see the extension that you use for this one?
With this guy?
Yeah, just grab this.
Yeah, you'll just need these tools to do up into there. And that's it. It's only $300 worth of extensions, $100 swivel, and 3 cents socket. Hi.
Okay, before you make the mistake and think these are 14s and the V-bands are 13s, so remember that, or you'll fight it for 30 minutes and then realize it's 13. But it's a pain in the butt. You're gonna have to undo the tins that hold the shields on. Here, I'll show you right here. There's these shields that wrap around and block the V-band and the bolt. So you're gonna have to undo the tins. There's a couple tins. Kind of bend these back with a pry bar, and that'll allow you room to get a swivel in the socket up to the 13. So that's kind of the idea of how to get that out. So now that those are out, we're going to swap our O2s over into the new downpipes and then do it all over again. So we are bring it back in the car. So beforehand, this was the easier side to get out, and the other side was the harder to get out. This one went in the easiest. This one is being very mean to us. But, so if you have 2 people to do this job, use 2 people.
Or just hire Speedhaus.
Yeah, or hire us. Or just don't put downpipes on your car.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You put downpipes on, just go.
I don't want to hear it, Mr. Doesn't have a downpipe.
I have a downpipe.
Okay, we now have the new high flow downpipes, high flow cat downpipes in. Pretty simple install. Your biggest problem is going to be getting the old ones out. Once you have the old ones out, the new ones will go in pretty simple. If you have another set of hands to help kind of stabilize this as you get the V clamp on, that'll help.
And lots of extensions.
Lots of extensions. I mean, it takes quite a few wobbles and extensions to get the right angle to get in there to get the V-band clamp off, but for the most part, it's all said and done. We still use the factory mid-pipe. The rest of the exhaust is factory. The only thing we replaced was these high flow catted downpipes.
Cool. See how it sounds. First start. Yep.
Well, that's it for the Speedhaus channel today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe.
Sounds good.
That turbo spool.
The Z's done. I like that.